Hello and welcome to my channel, and today we're going to see some of the best deals that Steam is offering this in this summer sale. Okay, so I purchased 5 games in this summer sale. Out of that I returned 2 and kept 3 for myself. As you can see, let me just show you my collection. So I purchased Witcher 3, which has an overwhelming positive response on the Steam. I'm not tested it yet, but I believe it should be good. Okay, and it is really cheap. I believe 240 or something. We will be checking that out in a couple of minutes. And I purchased Watch Dogs 2 for around 600 rupees, 599 I guess. And this is also a good game, so you can definitely go for it. Then I purchased Rise of Tomb Raider, so which is also a good game, and I got it for really cheap price with all the DLCs included, as you can see. So these are the 3 games or the top picks for this summer for me. I do own Assassin's Creed Odyssey already on the Epic Game Store, but on the Steam we have that on offer, and that is a really nice offer. So let's check it out. So first of all, Rise of Tomb Raider. I assume I'm pronouncing it correctly. So as you can see, the price of this is 249, so that is really cheap, and this is the best game. If you have played Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2, then that experience, you will be getting the similar kind of experience, even better in this case. And the graphics are good, the storyline is awesome, and the the overall gaming performance in my case is good, and it is really cheap game, even though it is little bit old, but it is still nice. So talking about the Tomb Raider franchise, they do have this Shadow of Tomb Raider, which is the latest release, I believe. I mean, not the latest, but the latter than this. So it will cost you around 900 rupees. So I mostly look for cheaper options, and which will give me more fun. So this is in the very positive, and this is in the overwhelming positive, if you can go here. So I did tested this out, and it is good. So but if you want to purchase this, or if you're planning to purchase this, then I believe you will not be disappointed, because this game series is awesome actually. So yeah, you can go for it, and it is also for a really nice price. So all the DLCs, these 3 DLCs and 1 game, you're getting it for 976, so that is 82% off. So that is a really good deal. So you can go for this as well. The next I have purchased Watch Dogs 2, as you can see, 600 Indian rupees. So this is also very positive review. This also got very positive reviews, and I purchased this for 599, as you can see, almost 18% off. So that is a nice deal as well, so you can go for this. Another game I purchased is Witcher 3 Wild Hunt. I have not tried this yet because of the disk space, but you can see the reviews and stuff, and you can see the price. So this is really cheap, so you can go for this as well. Another thing I did added these games in my cart, but I then removed it somehow because of the budgets. So first of all, let's talk about the Assassin's Creed Odyssey. So I purchased this for about 1400 Indian rupees on let me just, okay, it is reloading now. It is loading now. So I purchased Assassin's Creed Odyssey on Epic Game Store for about 1400 rupees, that is $14.51 I guess. And there we go. And now it is on for near about 1000 rupees, so that is really good. And even the gold and deluxe edition, I don't know why it is not loading. Let's wait. Okay, DC. Okay, there we go. So you can see the reviews, and you can see the price. So at this price, I believe you can go for it. This is the best single player game as well, considering the graphics, and it will the story as well, the side missions, and everything. This is good. I mean, there is no personally, there's no fallback in this, so you can definitely test it out and check it out. This is also a good deal, because I got this for 1400 rupees on Epic Game Store, and it is now 1000. So for the game like this, so it is, you can definitely go for this. This is a nice deal. Even you can go for the gold and deluxe edition, but I find these editions, they kind of just fancy stuff. So I like to play standard editions in most of the cases. So yeah. Another thing, if you have not purchased Sleeping Dogs or something, maybe you can play that, because I have played this. Okay, it is costlier, I guess. uh, Again, it is taking some time. So that is a disappointment. Maybe I should open Chrome and Steam in. Okay, there we go. So I purchased this for about 70 rupees, and now it is 109. So that is not good. So you can wait, and it may go in again for the cheaper price. Yeah. So you can see I played a lot. I played 19.2 hours, so I wasted that much. Okay, but this is a nice game actually, and the cars, the driving feel, the drifting, and actually I like when comparing with GTA 5. Then this is first of all, the benefits are, this is a lightweight game, considering the size of the game. And GTA 5 is huge. I mean, it is around 94 or 95 gigs, so that is too much for, as you can see, my disk space is almost full because of that. So as an alternative, if you want another game, so this is good. Sleeping Dogs is good as well in that case, but yeah, this is good as well. So I've played this a lot, so you can see the reviews as well. So this is good, but the deal is not great this summer somehow. I don't know. So another thing is the Call of Duty series, Call of Duty franchise, Call of Duty. There we go. So I did added this game in my cart, but I end up removing it because of the price, because it is too high. I will wait for another year maybe for that. So you can see I have played the Call of Duty Infinity Warfare, but I returned it and got my refund, because first of all it is costly. Second of, I mean, not that costly. I mean, it is on sale, but it is not good, and you can see the reviews are mixed as well in this case. And frankly speaking, the last game I liked was Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2. After that, I believe they have done too much in these games. So which, I mean, the story is not that strong. First of all, that is my personal opinion, of course. And the gameplay is not that smooth. In the Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2, that is the best shooting game I have ever played, single player shooting game that I have ever played. Okay, so yeah, and that is on offer as well. So if we go here, you can see Call of Duty. Where is that? Back. Okay, it is on Action Games. So let me just go to maybe Activision. Yeah, there we go. So Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2. Where is it? This is the remastered version, but it is also too costly. Modern Warfare 3 was also great, but it is still on the higher end. This is the game that you can see this is on my wish list currently, but I've played this in 2012, and that is good. And if you can pay this, you will not be disappointed. But I still believe that is considering the price point, it is not worth, because you are getting Assassin's Creed Odyssey for around this price. So I think they should have done little bit like Sleeping Dogs price, or Watch Dogs price, actually, not Sleeping Dogs. So they should have released it around 600 rupees, so that will be worth it. But yeah, the game is good. No issues with that, and he will not be disappointed with this. If you're I mean the older the game, the better is the everything. I mean, everything in terms of the size and the resources it's gonna cost, and the gameplay will be you're gonna get in that case, because the processor nowadays and the graphics card are good. So yeah, so that's the main reason why I've purchased old school games like that, this in this summer sale. But yeah, so another thing is, so I did purchase this in the sale, in this summer sale. I did purchase this in this summer sale, and then I purchased this Witcher 3. Apart from that, Just Cause 3 is good, but I did purchase this for 70, around 79 to 80 rupees, so that is also a good deal. And talking about the other games, so if we go let's go the franchise wise. So Sims 4 is good, but they have 1200, and I don't like these kind of graphics in the game. They are not realistic, they are just gaming kind of stuff, so I don't like that. But that is okay. If you are, this is good game that actually uh, I thought I would try this, but then again the price is too high. You're getting ODC for 900 rupees. Then I don't know. They should have. Red Dead Redemption 2 is on my wish list. Actually, I've not added it. I've removed it maybe. But this is a good game. But still, I believe that in the next year summer sale, or maybe on the Epic Game, it will be for sale or something like that. So I'm just waiting for that. Although this is a good deal, but you can see only 20% off. So why, I mean, sometimes it is you know really you have to choose between the price and the fun you will be getting. So if you have already owned the games like this, like GTA 5 or something like that, then you can probably wait for such games. But yeah, it is my personal choice. Yeah, my personal opinion. So I believe the fun should be larger than the price, because sometimes, like in my case, in case of Infinity War, I paid too lot and I am disappointed actually. So in that case you need to really decide. So you can get at the same price, you can get whole bunch of games which are good enough. And yeah, that is it. Then another thing, like this is the one that I have added in my cart. But again, I will purchase this after this pending transaction will be reverted. So this is good game, and let me just show you the reviews. So very positive. Again, Square Enix game, another Square Enix. I have the Just Cause 3, I have the Sleeping Dogs, and then I will be purchasing this, I believe. Then the Tomb Raider is already there, and yeah, this is good. Let's see, GTA 5 is good also, but online loading takes too much time. I mean, to in order to play online you have to wait a lot. So in that case you can start a mission and maybe complete mission in that time, some cases. This is the good game also. I don't know about the rest, but this JD, Star Wars JD was good, and I will be waiting for this to come in offer, almost 70% maybe. Then I will try this out. Let's see, maybe in the next summer. GT 5 is good, and these are now cheap. But I mean, it's up to you. You have this, then take, if you want to. But if you are going to purchase any GTA game, then I will say purchase GTA 5, because other games are compared to GTA 5, they're nothing. So even though you're paying a lot in that case, but that will be good. I mean, when you install it, I mean, first of all, I would like to warn you that it has a huge download size, like about 95 GBs. So that is huge. But if you don't have that issue, then you can definitely go further. This is the best GT franchise game I've ever played. Okay. Now, yeah, I did purchase this Witcher 3. Then Crisis, I have not tried this. Others, Divinity, I don't know, I haven't heard of that. This is good also, but this is, you can see the responses overwhelming positive, and you can go for this price. But the discount is not that much, I believe. So that's why you I mean, maybe if you can wait, you should wait, because it will be likely to be go on sale next summer. And let's see the price as well in that case. Mafia franchise is also good. I have played Mafia 2, but it has some mixed reviews, so it's up to you. I mean, the shooting experience is kind of boring, but the storyline and the car driving into the cities and all that stuff, I liked it. So yeah, it's up to you. Mass Effect, I don't know. It is really cheap again, but yeah, I have already this kind of category of game, so I would not like to invest in that. So Doom, this is again, Doom Eternal is also another good thing. But actually the zombies and stuff, I kind of don't like that kind of stuff in the gaming. So I would not go for it, but the discount is really great. I mean, Doom Eternal is the best, I believe, apart from the all Doom franchise. But yeah, I'm not aware about these franchise that much. Max Payne has a discount, but yeah, again the graphics and the yellowish kind of graphics, what we can say, yellowish display in the uh, overall game, I don't like that kind of as well, that kind of gaming performance, what we can see, that kind of video, maybe in-game videos or like that. Then let's check. Yeah, Tomb Raider, as you can see, you can definitely go for this, you will not be disappointed. And even you can go for Shadow of the Tomb Raider, so that is also good, but you have to pay a lot in that case. Tom Clancy's, this is on a good offer, 60% of 399, and this is also on 70% off. So why, if you are choosing between two and you don't have budget issues, then definitely go for Wildlands. It has, you know, awesome graphics, and it is latest, and you can see the reviews mostly positive. I mean, in this case also very positive, but yeah, I like this. I tried this, the demo version, and yeah, that's my personal opinion again. Then Cars 2, I have added this, but then and since I already own GTA 5, then I can drive cars in there and, you know, do racing stuff. So I did not purchase any racing game this year. Apart from that, also it is 16 minutes. So that is huge. I don't know. Let's see. Batman franchise is good, but it is kind of old now. So if you want to try this, this is good. Then Just Cause 3 is good. Dirt franchise, again the racing game. So if you have any, if you're interested, then you can try this. Or NFS was there. Need for Speed franchise is there. Fallout, again Fallout is on offer, 50%, 70%. So I believe next year this will be around 60 to 70. So I will wait for that. Yeah. And then Call of Duty franchise, I would go for the free version in this case, because after Black Ops 3 or Modern Warfare 2, I don't like any. So I would go for the free version, that is Warzone. Borderland 2 is good. I already own it. Borderland 2 is good. Wait, not Borderland 2. Yeah, Borderland 2. So Borderland 2 was good. So I already own it in the Epic Game Store, and the story and the game is good. But you know, kind of alien and kind of that stuff. So I don't like to play again that kind of stuff mostly. Leo, I don't know, Assassin's Creed. You can definitely go for this Odyssey. This is the best deal. Okay. I mean, next year maybe it is less, but if I don't know, if you have the budget, then you can go for it. This is a nice graphics and everything, and you they do have, you know, they have created a nice environment there in the game. Battlefield, I actually not tasted out. Battlefield 5 on 2000, so that is also too much. You can get again, you can get bunch of games in that price. So it's not Farming Simulator. I don't know. Hitman 69. I like it. I own this on Android, but I don't know how it is on PC. Resident Evil 2000, that is again on the higher side. So let's see. Need for Speed, yeah, this is what I'm talking about. So this game is good. Need for Speed Heat, but it is again costly. So, but you can try it. I don't think they will make it for 80% in the next, so you can purchase it. It is, I mean, it is a good deal. But again, this is a dedicated racing game, and if you can purchase something like GTA 5, then why do you need that? I mean, I would not spend that much on the similar kind of, you know, gaming experience. So I guess that's just for this video. If you want to know anything else, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Yeah.